It's fun. It definitely never gets boring.
Cheep, cheep.
That is disgusting.
All right, effects ready?
I can't play my hat.
Cut! I broke you. Ow!
The Crossbow Killer. This week on Showtime. The Crossbow Killer. Ugh.
Fucking corner open!
Dropped your teeth.
I know. My teeth just came out.
I underestimated you. I am underestimating you.
All right?
Margot.
Did you poop it out yet?
All right, come on. Yeah.
Not a shit show at all.
Fuck off, Grandma. Yeah, fuck off, Grandma. This Grandma was kicking ass.
What? Down in Gotham with the birds of prey, where all the bad bitches come out to play, with a hit, kick, and a knee in the dick. Come see our movie, it's gonna be sick.